Forms Help Scout extension tutorial. So to get started, you want to go ahead and add in your Likeable Forms license key. You'll need your Help Scout app ID and also your Help Scout app secret. If this is the first time setting up the extension, you do want to go ahead and hit verify license key. And additionally, Help Scout requires a two-step authentication process to be able to interact with the API. So don't be intimidated. You're just going to have an additional link that's going to appear after your keys have been validated. And you want to click the link and then approve your website to be able to interact with the API and just to verify with Help Scout that your API keys and secrets are valid. Once that's finished up, you should see a message that says OAuth verification successful, and we can go ahead and proceed on to the extension. So for each form, you want to enable the settings. So let's go and select this option. And now that we have your API key, when you select your Help Scout inbox, you'll see all of your inbox, your mailbox names populated in the dropdown. So for our demo, we'll just go ahead and select support. And now we need to go ahead and create the ticket. So we have a ticket message and the body, which is the ticket message. We're going to combine static text with dynamic values. So for example, for the ticket subject, we can say new ticket. But as you see, we don't have any fields appearing in this drop down here. So it's just because we have an empty form. So let's go ahead and add a few fields to our form. We'll add an email field. Let's add a couple of text fields for the names. And we'll also add a phone field. And let's go ahead and change out the field labels of the text fields so that we can reference them in our settings. So now that we've populated our form with some fields, you'll see all the fields appear here in the drop down. So for example, when you're creating the ticket, and just say, instead of saying new ticket, we can say new ticket from, and we can go ahead and add the customer's first name. And the same thing for the ticket message. We highly recommend text areas in your form because you can provide a lot of content inside of the ticket message itself. So let's go ahead and add a text area field to our form, and we'll just go ahead and assign the text area for the entire submission. Finally, we need to get to the customer email. When we create a ticket inside of Help Scout, we also create a contact. So we need to assign the customer's email address. And this is just standard field mapping. For the customer's first name, we'll go ahead and add the first name field. And for the customer's last name, we'll assign the last name field. And by default, these tags are set up by Help Scout. So you have two choices, welcome or VIP. Of course, this is going to be on a case-by-case basis, so assign whichever tag you feel is most appropriate. For our demo, we're just going to assign a welcome tag. And lastly, if you have a file upload field in your form and you want those files to appear as an attachment inside of the ticket itself when you're in Help Scout, you want to go ahead and select yes. If not, you can just select no. There you have it.